Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Marge and this is 5-minute Smokey Eye Makeup Look. As a startup, I will be using this Lemonade Color Correcting Eyelid Primer by Benefit. This will make the eyeshadow color more radiant and will last longer. Evenly apply the primer in generous amount. After the application, set it up with pressed powder. To give my smoky eye a softer look, I will be using this peachy color on the crease. Start the application from the outer crease going in. Make sure to blend it evenly. Next, I will be using a brownish color to blend it in with. Always start with lighter shade when doing your eyeshadow. To give it a soft reddish look, I will be adding this deep brown eyeshadow color. Make sure to blend everything evenly. After setting up the crease, I will be using this light shimmer color for the outer crease to give it a more blended look. Now that I've achieved the base color that I want for my crease, we will now proceed with the smoky look. I will be using this obsidian shade from Smashbox that has a grayish color. I will be blending it from the inner lid going to the outer lid, giving my smoky eye a soft look. When doing a smoky look, always remember that it consists of 1 to 3 dark color eyeshadow that is blended from inner lid, going lighter as it goes to the outer lid. Now that the outer crease is all set, we will now proceed to the inner lid. I will be using this black eyeshadow for the inner lid. Make sure that the inner lid is darker than the outer lid. After the application in the inner lid, I will be adding up this reddish color to blend everything up. Now that we're all set, we can now proceed to the other details such as highlighter, eyeliner, and mascara. Putting some eyelashes is always optional. I will be adding this brownish color under my eye to give it a more blooming look. Finishing up with the application of mascara and we're all good. For more upcoming makeup videos, please click like and subscribe, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any suggestions to make. Thank you for watching!